In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export properties and view the historical data of a property in HubSpot. This is a great way to track changes and get insights into your contacts, companies, deals, or any other records in your CRM. First, log into your HubSpot account and head over to the CRM section. Depending on what you want to analyze, you can choose contacts, companies, deals, tickets, or orders. Once you've selected the record type, open the specific record you want to explore. Next, locate the property you want to view. Click on it, and HubSpot will open a detailed view showing the property's historical data. Here, you can see past values, updates, and related activities, giving you a clear picture of how that property has changed over time. If you want to export this data, look for the Export option. You can select the specific activities or details you want to include, check the boxes for the items you need, and then click Export. HubSpot will generate a file that you can download and use for reporting, analysis, or record keeping. And that's it. You now know how to view property history and export property data in HubSpot. And that's how you export properties and analyze their historical data in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.